I was a member of PMA Hour during my time. And during ng time ni sir, meron na ring PMA Hour, sir, di ba, sir?
It's gonna make me feel very old, pero yes, there was a PMA hour back then. AM station pa siya.
AM station. Hi guys, it's Hernan, the young Filipino patriot, and today is the very first episode of the new season of our podcast. And here with me today is Lieutenant Colonel Jean Paul Santos, the commanding officer of the Leadership Development Center. Sir, can you give a little about yourself para makilala tayo ng mga audience and at least yung mga viewers natin kilala kung sino ka, sir?
Okay, I'm Lieutenant Colonel Jean Santos. I'm a member of PMA Class 2004, so we have something in common already. And I'm currently the commanding officer of the Leadership Development Center. Siguro I'm here not about just leadership, Air Force leadership, but leadership in general. So I'm very willing to share insights and something siguro new, a combination of the old and the new things that, based on my experience are coming up and developing as we grow in the service.
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, speaking of common, actually para at least alam ng lahat, I was a member of PMA Hour during my time. And during ng time ni sir, meron na ring PMA Hour, sir, di ba, sir?
It's gonna make me feel very old, pero yes, there was a PMA hour back then. AM station pa siya.
AM station.
And we air it like 2200 in the evening. And for an hour, it runs for an hour. And it was very random things lang. About PMA, basically about
Yes, sir.
PMA, how you get in there, what's the life of being a cadet. Ganun, may mga letters pa kami ng cadet girls. It was circa around 2001 to 2003.
Grabe po, sir. Almost 20 years in the
20
making,
years
sir.
in the making.
Sa amin naman, sir, yung PMA Hour was more of parang ganito na, sir. May parang live show, live talk. Kaya medyo ibang-iba na talaga, sir, yung, yung development, sir, ng PMA Hour, sir.
Mahirap din. Actually, mahirap yung time nun kasi nga AM. And then we have to beg for the time slot. Tapos I'm not sure if who's listening kasi nga 2200. Di ba kadete, bawal naman ng beyond. Tapos
10 p.m.,
ng
sir.
10 p.m. Tapos sila, yung civilian, hindi ko alam kung may nakikinig. Pero
Sir.
interesting enough, meron naman kaming letters na nare-receive. Please, I have these few questions. I'm a cadet girl, ganyan.
Cadet girl talaga, sir.
Sinasabi niya na ganito yung boyfriend niya. So is it true? Binavalidate. Things that how things go on are going in pain.
So bagay, sir, even in Facebook nga, sir, makikita mo, sir, di ba, sir, yung may mga posts na ngayon, sir, may mga Facebook pages, sir, posting. Ano ba yung mga questions na mga cadet girl?
Ano yung
Sagutin
normal,
nila, sir. Yes, sir.
frequent, may FAQs na rin eh. Doon kasi, back then, talaga naman, phone cards pa noon eh. So, wala kaming cellphone, bawal ang phone. There are a lot of challenges relative to sa communication sa labas.
Oo nga,
So,
sir.
may letters pa rin kami. So, yun, challenge yun talaga. How do you communicate?
Yes, sir. Unlike now, sir, we have social media. We have
social
everything,
media
sir.
very accessible eh. Podcast, even live streaming. Sometimes yung comments,
yes, sir.
diba? I make fun of some of my classmates na nakikita ko nagla-live tapos nagko-comment.
Oo nga po, sir. Kahit ako po ngayon, sir.
Nakikita ko sila. Yun. So,
Anyway, sir, let's start with our first topic of the day, sir. Let's talk about leadership, sir. Kasi,
very
sir,
timely.
masasabi mo ba, sir, na expert ka na, sir, in leadership, sir?
Hindi ko. I still believe na there's no such thing as the perfect leader or a perfect leadership style. There's no wrong leadership style.
Yes, sir.
So ako, siguro, I'm not an expert, but an expert maybe based on my experiences, how I relate it to what I'm doing now. Siguro, base ko siya yung previous assignments ko in the Air Force. Ano yung natutunan ko doon? Ano yung mga what has proven to have value, what worked and what did not. So those are things that I can share. Probably leadership aspect in a full range of from tactical, yung you work with in the lower levels ng organization, in the operation. And then, at the same time, yung futures thinking mo, how you plan for the future of the organization. Yun siguro, in a way, I can give a lot of my insights on those. In a leadership style na, hopefully, more forward-looking. Ganun ang, I see myself as that kind of person, forward-looking. ano yung gagawin ko ngayon
Yes, sir.
na at least 2 to 3 years from now kung makikitang nagte-take effect. I'd like to quote one of the senior officers told me, yun nga, we don't plant the seed today to cast the shadow tomorrow.
Oh, that's a nice one, sir.
You have to you expect to cast that shadow sometime in the future pa talaga, like 2 to 3 years, and you have to be patient.
It's an investment, sir.
Oo, you have to be patient. Culture kasi.
Oo nga, sir.
Culture. Leadership is culture. You know, so I usually look into those things. How you not really change the culture but enhance it to be more adaptive, relevant. So ganun dun ako nagfo-focus.
Oh, sir, what I got from that, sir, is leadership is, kasi sir, typically, ako sir, as a young person, sir, yung nakikita ko sing type of leadership lang, sir, is how you handle people,
Oh,
sir.
yeah.
It's mostly handling people, sir. So, mostly yung mga bata, sir, parang pag sinabing leadership, yung how do you handle people? How do you handle situations with people?
With people.
Pero, sir, from what you just said, makikita ko, sir, na it's about it could even be about the past.
Yeah, it can
Diba, sir,
even be the past.
kumbaga, in terms of the culture, so how will you not really recreate, but improve the culture of the past? And in the present, sir, yung how you handle the people, sir, the organization.
Exactly. Basic definition. I'll go back to my definition of leadership. How define? I go to the textbook definition. Influencing people towards a common goal. Most of the time, we get overwhelmed with influencing people
with
lang.
that, sir.
Oo, dun na lang. So parang, you try to influence. Pag nandun ka na, as an example, our military organization is very fluid. So most of the time, we change commanders. You go into a unit, puupo ka doon. Pagdating mo doon, first thing is, ang challenge sa'yo is how to make sure, ensure people that they would support you. Not follow you, support you. So, most of us, if the lack of awareness, would tend to focus on that alone. So, influence. Andun na yung moral and welfare. Puro ganun lang ginagawa mo. You forget.
Medyo tunnel vision,
Oo,
sir.
nakatunnel ka na dapat ganito. Nagiging afterthought na lang towards that common goal. So, ano yun? If you're going to a military unit, leadership, influence them towards
a common goal, sir.
Common goal, which is the responsibility or the task of your unit, what to do. Sometimes, overwhelmed na tayo na you should be disciplined personnel, whatever the case may be, disciplined personnel or personnel that have high moral or who are high moral. The things, values driven, all that is there, andun siya. Pero sometimes we forget, especially for younger officers, na nakakalimutan yung part na
yes, sir,
common goal. Whatever it is, maybe the mission of your section, the squadron, whatever it is, or your office, yung part na yun. Na-overwhelm kasi, ang first challenge mo is, susundin ba ako nito? Ganito ang style ko.
Yes, sir.
Wait, I'll experiment. I'll do this, I'll do that.
Yes, sir.
3 months have passed, 4 months have passed, wala ka pang nagagawa. Ang pinofocus mo, influencing people pa rin na.
Nalimutan mo, sir, yung second part
yung
of that
second part
statement,
ng
sir.
statement, which is how you said it kanina is very precise. Na ganun siya eh.
Yes, sir.
Like, as a lieutenant, I want to be an instructor pilot. So, and I'm teaching. So, you teach. Well, you teach because you want them to become the best pilots of the. You forget that part.
You forget your why.
Oo, your why, yung purpose. So, sabi ko, laging yun nakakalimutan. Wag sana. It's not, hindi naman siya mali eh.
Sir.
Kasi it's there eh. Kaya lang, you tend to realize it at the later part na when the need is ready. Parang hinahanap na. Teka, ano ginagawa nyo? Ba't parang puro pampahay moral lang ginagawa mo dyan? Yun na. That's a question.
And sir, you have the leadership, but is it effective, sir? Then yung question of effectiveness, sir. And efficiency, sir.
You can perform the influencing part.
Yes, sir.
But the impact or the effectiveness, which is answered by the second part of that definition, yun ang gagawin.
And sir, I just realized also, sir, while you were talking, sir, medyo madami ako napaprocess na lang every time we talk, sir. Kaya favorite si Sir Jean nakausap lagi. Towards a common goal, it's not only right now. The goal, for example, sir, our goal is to complete this. And then, sir, that's where you said, sir, yung futures thinking, sir. Then another term came into mind, sir, systems thinking naman,
Systems thinking, yeah.
So, yung parang kumbaga, sir, since we are trying to achieve a common goal, influencing towards a common goal, influencing others towards a common goal.
Others,
How do you create a system? While you're doing that, the next challenge, sir, is creating better systems
better
to
systems, yeah.
to achieve that goal easier. I think,
Mm.
sir, that's also one of the burdens. Di naman burden. Kumbaga, sir, one of the things that we can do as leaders, we not only influence, but we also see what are the things that we can do to improve the organization or even that small unit as a whole. Actually, sir, siguro, sir, ito yung medyo dito ako mag-inject, sir. Na I'm very inspired, sir, by many of our mga mentors natin. Mentors ko ngayon, sir. Like you, sir. Kumbaga, sir, na-inspire ako, sir, kasi na-empower nyo kami, sir. Na even in the small things that we can do, maybe we can improve something.
Improve, yeah.
Kaya, sir, yung challenge sa amin as junior officers, na lagi nga nila sinasabi, sir, teniente kamote, sir. But I think not, sir. I think it's better na as early as now, sir, hindi naman, sir, sa we are thinking we are capable and magaling. But what if, in our level, dahil nga maliit pa yung hawak namin sa level na yun, if all of us, all junior officers are thinking the same way na improve natin yung small unit, edi yung bigger unit, sir, si commander namin, sir, mas madadalian na siyang i-improve as a whole kasi gumaganda na yung bawat unit, sir.
On a personal note, alam mo, it's a good thing to hear as a, a young officer na tinitingnan mo yung systems na the impact is there. Kasi kayo yung kumikilos eh. For me, ang personal style ko dyan, I usually, what I look for as a leader, I go down to the lowest parang unit. Growth
yes, sir.
mindset. Yun ang ini-inject ko.
Yes, sir.
Knowing what you need to do, what are your responsibilities, what are your tasks. You have to master that role. And then look forward, paano ko ba improve to? Paano ko siya ginagawa? How do I make myself better to perform this task? And then slowly, dun mo siya nakikita eh. Sometimes, mayroong mga systems tayo na hindi naman policies, pero yung system natin na nandiyan kayo, you're doing it. Pero I think I can improve this by injecting digitalization, as simple as
yes,
that.
sir.
As simple as digitalization. But not a lot of people would be willing to accept that kind of enhancement or improvement. Kasi, technology,
It's new, sir. Something
nakakatakot, technology, may fear ka to make a mistake. But
yes, sir.
if, you have that growth mindset, uy, bago to
Let's try.
Mukhang
Ganun
I
siya.
need to learn this, how
Let's
to use
learn.
this, and then let's try it. Baka mamaya mas madali.
Yes, sir.
So, unti-unti na tayong, if personally I can inject it sa'yo na gano'n, wag yung common reaction, ano yan, wag yan. Hindi yan, mahirap yan gamitin. Hindi mo pa natatry, mahirap yan gamitin. Growth mindset would be, this is something new. I would be more than willing to learn how to use it. Minsan nga, patingin ng manual yan, ng pagkakaiba. Very recently, I just bought ito, impulse buying to eh. Pangit na example. I bought a AR, augmented reality glasses.
sir, AR.
Na glasses. So it's basically a screen na lalagay mo sa salamin mo so you can use it. My intention was to provide me with more screens as I'm doing
Para kahit saan ka tumingin, sir.
So I have 3 screens na nakikita ko na ginagawa. The problem is, I need to still look down pa rin pala sa keyboard from time to time.
Yes, sir.
So nagagawa ko, tumitingin ako dito, nag-ano ako. Tapos, only to find out the software that comes with it is not, as updated as should be. So I cannot utilize it the whole kabutit. So the whole thing. So parang some regrets, pero sabi ko, ito yun impulse buying. It's not always the technology you're looking for. Parang hindi rin siya maganda. So lessons learned sa akin. Teka, bago next best,
At least, sir, you know.
At least I
alam mo
know.
na, sir.
It's not a mistake on my part, not even a failure, but it's a learning sa akin.
Learning experience.
Learning experience. Kunin ko siya. At least alam ko na may augmented reality. So I'm looking for another purpose for it. I'm making use of. Ngayon, ang dami ko na di-discover na pwede pala to na pwede
Yes,
palang
sir.
itong gawin ko na instead of just using it, I can see through it. Baka in the future, pwede na siyang, glasses na as you're talking, teleprompter na
Yes,
siya,
sir.
may ganun na siyang level na.
I'm sure, sir, meron, sir. Baka wala lang sa
baka
commercial
hindi pa
level,
lang siya
sir.
sa ganun
Yes, sir.
na, sabi ko, these are things that I try to learn from. Tapos sabi ko, imagination na futures thinking ka na. This kind of technology, what else can I do with it? What else can I use it for? So ayun, andun na yung drone.
Yes,
Pwede ko na
sir.
siya attach sa drone. Andun na siya na pwede ko na, okay. But I'll try to change it and use it as an opportunity
Mm.
to make myself or do something better with it. As another system.
Yes, sir.
Hindi siya, hindi, alam mo yun, hindi ko na give up yun. Although, syempre, minsan nakapagsisimahal eh. parang mali yata.
Mahal talaga ang mga tuition fee
Oo.
nowadays, sir, honestly, sir.
Medyo mahal ang tuition fees sa learning curve na ganyan. So, yeah, those are things that, kumbaga, you have to accept that this is not a failure. This is not a mistake. It's something that will help me grow, especially our generation. Malayo ng gap. May 20 years. 20
Yes,
years,
sir.
siguro 20 years. May gap na technology, how what kind of environment you're working in,
Yes,
what
sir.
kind of environment I was working at in the
Lalo
same
sa pace
ages.
ng generation
Sobra,
ngayon, sir.
sobra.
Sobrang bilis, sir.
Sobra. AI alone is a different story.
Anyway, sir, if at least, sir, maybe we can summarize it, sir, for our viewers, sir. Ako, sir, I'll give my take, sir, as a junior officer, sir. Then maybe you can also add to it, sir. As I see it, sir, yun nga, sir, your textbook definition, sir, of influencing others, sir, towards a common goal. But the nuance here is not focusing only on the influencing part. That's what we always forget. Lalo na kami mga juniors, sir, medyo young. Focus kami masyado. How do I influence? Paano ko pasunurin, sir? As you said, sir. And after that, is the towards a common goal. We can look at it in 3 different ways, sir. The past, looking at the culture, how we can improve it. The present, the actual influencing, sir. In the future, how we can improve systems, how we can improve the way we work things or the way we do things. So ako, sir, I think yun yung pinaka-takeaway ko for today.
It's a common thing talaga. Even not only as young officers, some senior officers as well. I'm not saying it's bad, but it's a common nature na leadership kasi yun yung the art of influencing others. Yun yung,
yes, sir,
pag tinanong yung textbook eh. Ngayon nakakalimutan yung part. So it's just a matter of being aware. And then, if it's clear, purpose-driven, yun na yung magdadrive everything. May it be in the past,
Yes.
in the present,
Yes, sir.
or in the future. If the purpose is clear, sometimes failure is not because of the failure of leadership. It's the failure of defining the purpose, the objective. Oh, you're a good leader pero you don't have the purpose. Yun na yun. Yun, kumakawala. Nawawala na siya dun sa circle ng past, present, and future. Hindi mo na alam kung saan ka. You can tackle all 3. You can focus on one. You can, whatever it is. But as long as the purpose is clear,
Purpose, sir. The
system na
overarching,
siya.
sir. What brings all of it together?
Together. That what makes it very clear. Yung influencing part kasi, remember you're talking to people. People on their own would have their own ways to do it. To follow you. To be, pwede yan yung tipong devil's advocate. I'll be here to be part of your leadership journey. Pero I'm the one who's gonna be always at your back na to criticize you. Those kind of people, you have to deal with them. Pero making them realize the purpose, they would soon be part of your team. Maybe in the future.
Yes, sir.
Kasi they're looking at the past. Hindi, it won't work. Kasi ganito yan. And then let them be part of your future. So, alam mo, that system, hindi siya perfect, pero at least you're aware that you're working in this kind of bubble. Past, present, and future. Just make sure that the purpose is clear so you can tackle all of them together or even as one. Or one part of it. Parang yan. Depende sa level mo. Yan.
Thank you very much, sir. I'm sure mga nanonood, sir, I'm sure, may it be a civilian or an officer, I'm sure, and even enlisted personnel, sir, I think we should give emphasis to that. All of us across the board will learn something from that.
Enlisted personnel, usually, ang traditional way natin sa kanila is followership. Ang mindset, most of them is followership. The concept of leadership now is self-leadership. You lead yourself to be a better person. Not just a follower, but a leader. Leader for yourself, for your smaller team. Siguro, to look at it, na how to contribute. Kaya medyo, nandun ako, may bias ako sa growth.
How to contribute talaga, sir.
Yung growth mindset, may bias ako doon eh. Kasi, it will stop kapag ka feeling mo, hindi ka na nakakapag-contribute or okay na ako sa contribution ko na to. Okay na, ito yung contribution. Ito yung role ko. Ito lang ako. Pag nag-stop, pag wala kang growth mindset, it will prevent you from moving forward. Wala ka na. Well, it's gonna be a part of both your self-leadership And then yung leadership ng external na nagli-lead sa'yo. It's gonna be a challenge. Kasi I gave up na eh. Wala na akong growth mindset. So that's something that personal bias
mo
ko na
yung
yun.
sarili mo, sir, if
Oo.
you stop growing, sir.
Growth mindset. So lagi mo siyang, I'm done doing this. I can do this. Parang for example, how we speak, this is
Yes, sir.
quite natural na eh. Pero for some people, you invite them to do the same thing. It would be a challenge. It's
Yes, sir.
supposed to become a challenge for them. Meron silang, something to read. It would be a sleepless night for them. Just preparing for this. Pero kung natural na kasi ginagawa mo na, okay, I'm done. I'm doing this. Okay
Yes,
na.
sir.
And then how do I advocate this?
Mm.
One step further ka na eh. How do I make this more effective? I wear the uniform, talk in front of a camera. I post it as a long video. I post it as a short video. Whatever it is, you're thinking beyond. Wala ka na dun sa communication.
Yes, sir.
Maybe some officers or some people of the same age as ours would have a hard time doing this alone. So growth mindset, that shouldn't stop them.
Yes, sir.
Dapat tayo medyo, siguro nandun tayo sa growth mindset nga, or maybe your generation, this is quite common. For us, some generations or some people would be hesitant to do this kasi
Yes,
hindi
sir.
sila confident in some aspects. Pero pag naka-move forward ka na, definitely there's a lot more opportunities.
And I think, sir, it comes with the risk nga, sir. Sabi niyo nga po, sir, you bought the AR glasses to learn about it. So, hindi ka afraid of failure. And I guess it's the same, sir, with all of the other things that we have or the skills that we can learn. So, thank you, sir. Thank you for all of your insights. And I'm sure madami matututunan yung mga viewers natin.